notes would be to kind of do these one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to label this equation 1. Okay, and equation 1 starts out at where? -4. Okay, it starts out at -4. And what is our slope? 1. Now, you cannot just graph one slope. On the first line that you graph, you need to graph as many dots as you possibly can. Meaning, you go up 1 and over 1, okay? And you can continue that line. Up 1, over 1, put another dot. Up 1, over 1, until you run out of room. Okay, you can also go down 1, over 1. You have to put every dot on your first line. Okay, because we're going to be looking for that intersection point. Alright? Chase, does a line have arrows? Huh? Draw the arrows. Okay, so that's our first line. Okay, you got to put every dot on the first line. Okay, line 2. Line 2 starts out where?
2.
At 2. What is our slope?
1.
-1. Okay, so we can go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And you need to graph as many points as you have to until you see that intersection point. See, there's one point that's black and purple? Okay, that's our intersection point. And so once you graph enough of those points, you'll get that intersection point, and then you can go ahead and draw your arrow. Okay, what is that intersection point? 3, -1. Okay, and it goes like a coordinate. Okay, so it's parenthesis 3, comma, -1, close parenthesis. And that's our answer. Okay, that's our intersection point. We solved that solution, that systems. Okay. Bless you. Okay, and so this one is done. Okay, 3. Where does our first equation start out at? -3. What is our slope? -4. So we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1, which way? To the left. Okay, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1. Okay, now check the downs. Can I go down 4? No. So that's all the points I can possibly plot. Okay, because you need to do that on your first line. On the second line, how many points do you have to do? Just as many until it intersects. Okay, so that might only be 1, that might be 2, that might be 10. I don't know. Okay, where does line 2 start out at? At +4. What is our slope? 3. Can I go up 3? No, so we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 1, which way? Left. Okay, and you can kind of look at it and tell if you go right, is the line going to intersect? Okay, not really. So we can draw our little line. And in this case, you only had to draw 1 extra point. Okay, what is the intersection point? -1. What? 1. Can I scroll? Okay, line 1, where does it start? -4. What is our slope? -2. So we're going to go up 2 over 1, which way? To the left. Okay, plot as many points as you can. So go up 2, 1, 2, over 1. Up 2, 1, 2, over 1. 1, 2, over 1. Okay, don't just try to copy me, count them yourself. Okay, count up 2 and count over 1. And put your dot. Count up 2, over 1. Is this your zebra cake trash?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Freaking litter bugs. Bless you. Are you allergic to her litter? I am. It's crazy. I know. Okay, 2. Where does it start out at? -1. What is our slope? Okay, so we're going to go up 1, over 1. If I keep going up and over, am I ever going to intersect? No. Okay, so we might as well try the down. Okay, so we're going to go down 1 over 1, and we see that it does intersect. Other way, Chase.
-1.
-1, -2. Good. Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, where does our first graph start? Jaquila, I know it's Monday, but
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
It's not Monday.
Okay, -1. What is our slope? 3 over 2. So we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. Which way? Right. To the right. Up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. We can go down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. Line 2, where does it start? -3. Okay, and we can go, what's our slope? 1 over 2, so we're going to go up 1 over 2, which way? To the right. If we keep going up, is it going to intersect? No. Okay, but I mean, you still can. You go up 1 over 2. Okay, it's not going to intersect. Okay, so we can go down 1 over 2. What is that intersection point? Good. What is that intersection point called? No. Starts with an S. It's our solution. Okay, it's our solution. Okay, 9. Where does the first one start out at? -2. What is our slope? -1. So we're going to go up 1 over 1. Which way? To the left one. Okay, so we're going to go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. How many points do you have to plot on your second line? Enough for it to can't, like, intersect. Okay, second line, where does it start?
3.
At 3. What is our slope? 4. Okay, can I go up 4? No. So we're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1, which way? To the left. What is our solution? -1, -1. No, it's not. Line 1, where does it start? -1. Shoot. Starts at -1. What is our slope? Okay, so we're gonna go up 1, over 2, which way? To the left. Up 1, over 2. Or we can go down 1, over 2. Bless you. Line 2, where does it start? +2. What is our slope? -2. So we can go up 1, over 2, which way? No, up 2, over 1, which way? To the left. Or we can go down 2, over 1. Down 2, over 1. What is our solution? 2, -2.